Liz, Melissa here from Vibrant Aesthetics, checking in for week 5 for the open medical category. This week we're going to be discussing aging, specifically perimenopause and how it affects your skin. During perimenopause, the body experiences a steady decline in estrogen and progesterone. Collagen production slows, the skin becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. Fine lines deepen, the barrier becomes fragile, and many women notice crepiness, especially around the eyes and neck. Estrogen also regulates melanocytes, so shifts in this hormone can lead to stubborn dark spots. Progesterone decline can make the skin look dull or deflated, and androgen dominance may cause jawline congestion or adult breakouts. Many women experience changes in their sleep patterns and heightened stress levels. This can increase the hormone cortisol, which also accelerates the breakdown of collagen and ages the skin faster. For my client, to address her loss of collagen and elastin, we used microchanneling to stimulate natural collagen and elastin production and Factor V RDS peels to brighten, firm, and resurface her skin. We also incorporated Botox and fillers to target volume loss and deeper expression lines. Aging and perimenopause can have a huge impact on your skin, but your lifestyle also plays a role in it as well. Getting quality sleep, managing stress levels, staying hydrated, and eating a nutrient-rich diet can also help support healthy, glowing skin during this time. With the proper care, your skin can stay hydrated and youthful even during perimenopause. And that wraps up week 5, and we'll see you guys next week.